Let's look at vowel ah as in not hot. This is an open back unrounded vowel. We typically spell vowel ah with letter O in English, which is where some of the accent error patterns come from. People see letter O and they want to do more of a rounded vowel. And in English, letter O, when it's in the stressed syllable and it's the main vowel, typically is going to say this ah as in not hot. I often recommend viewing it or thinking of it as an A or an AH, an ah sound, because in many other languages, vowel ah is spelled with letter A. In English, this is actually a more rare spelling, so we do it for father and pasta, but it's much more typical in English for the ah vowel to be spelled with letter O, like in job, problem, stop, got, lot, etc. So most of the time when you see O, if it doesn't say O as in no snow, it's going to say ah as in not hot. And about 75% of the time, we spell the ah vowel with letter O. So it's the majority of the time. Some of the errors that happen for non-native speakers on this vowel is that you may round the vowel. So in UK English, they have a rounded vowel no, which we don't have in American English. We don't use this vowel. We don't have any rounding. Our rounded vowel is ah, which is a little bit more closed and forward than the British vowel. So watch out for that error if you learned British English, or if you have ah in your native language, you may have a tendency to do that on these words. And then sometimes spelling simply confuses people, and when they see a word with letter O, they think it says the O diphthong, or they may use the O sound that comes from your language rather than the ah sound. So for many people, simply visualizing this as the letter A or the letters AH can help you correctly pronounce this vowel. One thing I recommend is if you have a tendency to round, so perhaps you say stop, to visualize it like stop with the AH, and that can help you make that open, unrounded ah. My tongue is all the way down, my lips have no rounding, and as this is a back vowel, I have space all throughout my mouth, ah, when I'm saying the vowel. You can also use a word that makes more sense to you, where you're using the ah vowel correctly. For example, you might be able to say father with this ah vowel because it's spelled with letter A. Then you can use that to help you with ones that may have an error pattern. For example, my father's job, my father got, my father's not, my father's problem, my father's colleague. You can use the resources in our Sounds of English course to learn which words have this ah vowel, how to correct accent error patterns, and use practice materials to consistently make the ah vowel correctly in American English. Thanks for practicing the ah vowel with me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.